sometimes we'll see questions talking about liquids, which is very similar to the work examples we have been talking till now. So there are two pipes. Let's see this example. There are two pipes, P and Q. They're connected to a tank. Pipe P alone can empty the tank in 5 hours and Q alone can empty the tank in 15 hours. So it is like basically saying P can do the work in 5 hours and Q can do the same work in 15 hours. Earlier the reference was like talking about building a wall, building a bridge, etc. Here it's more like filling the tank or emptying the tank, right? Work to be done. So I'll again assume total work. I'll take LCM of 5 and 15. So that will be 15. So instead of putting bricks here, for the sake of correct example, I'll use liters. This is referring to tank and liquids, right? So we'll call the total work to be liters. So if the tank is of capacity 15 liters, it's basically filling or emptying, in this case, the entire 15 liters in 5 hours and 15 hours. So what is the work rate of P? It has to empty 15 liters. That's the work to be done in 5 hours. So that's basically emptying 3 liters every hour. For Q, 15 liters by 15 hours is basically 1 liter per hour. If both of them are open together, that is both of them are working together, how long will they take? So I know they still are supposed to empty the same 15 liters. That's the tank capacity of the work to be done. If they both work together, they will be emptying 4 liters every hour. So the time taken would be 15 liters at the rate of 4 liters per hour. So that will be approximately 3.75. 3.75 hours would be the answer. Right? We have done the same way. There is no difference. People doing a piece of work or some pipes filling a tank or emptying a tank. Sometimes you will see that there is a pipe which is filling the tank and there is another pipe which is emptying the tank. So that is like doing a negative work. They both are doing opposite works. So one is doing positive and one is doing negative. So accordingly subtract and get the net work rate and calculate the required thing as per the given question. So another question. So this is on the tanks and liquids. So the tank normally filled in 8 hours, but it takes 2 hours longer to fill because of the leak in its bottom. If the tank is full, the leak will empty in how much time? It's basically saying there are two actions happening. One is emptying, there's a leak, and there is something like, let's assume, a pipe filling. I don't know at what rate the pipe is filling and what rate the tank is emptying. That is given by this set of information. Let's assume the tank capacity to be, let's assume, what would be suitable? You can take anything, but let me take 100 liters. Right? When pipe filling plus leakage are both working together, how long will it take? 10 hours. Pipe filling alone takes 8 hours. It says the tank is normally filled in 8 hours, but it takes 2 hours longer. That is 2 hours more to fill because of a leak at its bottom, in its bottom. So it means it is taking basically 8 plus 2, 10 hours if there is a leakage. It's only pipe filling, it will take 8 hours. If there is a leakage, it will be taking 10 hours. So what is the work rate for just the pipe filling? 100 liters to be filled in 8 hours. That's basically 12.5 liters per hour. When it comes to pipe filling plus leakage, they are filling 100 liters in 10 hours. That's basically 10 liters per hour. So pipe filling plus leak emptying should be equal to this. I know that pipe filling happens at the speed of 12 liters per hour plus leakage, I don't know the work rate of it. It is tending to be 10 liters per hour. So that means leak should be minus 2.5 liters per hour. So that's the work rate of leakage. What did they say? They asked if the tank is full, the leak will empty it in how much time? It's basically asking, okay, this 100 liters in the tank will be emptied by leak in what time? So time would be 100 liters to be filled. What is the work rate of leakage? It leaks 2.5 liters every hour. So that's basically taking 40 hours. That's how you'll solve it. Right? It is like this. A, B and A plus B. They gave us how much time A plus B takes, how much time A alone takes, and then they asked us to find how much time would B alone take. It is like the same question. Pipe filling is one entity, leakage is emptying, it's doing negative work. That's the difference in this. And they together took this much of time, so that I can use this set of information to find this. Till now we have been doing A alone takes this much, B alone takes this much. How much will A plus B together take? This is also another way to set the question. So that's a good practice.